What's the difference between but and though? Hi everyone and welcome to my English planet. How are you doing? Well, in today's short lesson, I'm going to explain the differences between but and though in only 2 minutes. Yeah, it seems fascinating and challenging. Even though these two words are similar, you cannot use them interchangeably if you don't know the rules and the meanings of them. So watch this short lesson just right now, today, so you can learn this grammar and you will be able to use these words in your sentences confidently and correctly. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Here is the timer. Let's go. Well, both these words are used to show contrast in sentences, but in different ways and in different places. But means however, and it is used to connect two opposing ideas in one sentence, like it was raining, but we went out. Before but, there is a comma. Though is a little different. It softens the contrast and it is not as strong as but. So when you want to soften the contrast or you want to add a surprising fact after your sentence or an afterthought, you can use though. Like, it was raining though we went out. Or it was raining, we went out though. Now let's talk about the positions of these two words in sentences. But is always in the middle. Like, I was tired, comma, but I stayed awake. Though is flexible. It can come at first, in the middle, and it can end a sentence. At first, it is like, though I was tired, comma, I stayed awake. In the middle, I stayed awake, comma, though I was tired. And at the end, I was tired, period, finished, I stayed awake, though. So you see, we can use it in different places. You can never end a sentence with but. Yeah? So now let's talk about when to use which. Well, if you want to show a direct and strong contrast, use but. You can simply use but between your two ideas and sentences. But if you want to add an afterthought, when you say something but after that another thing comes to your mind, you can use though here. Like, she is very talented. She's very young though. You see, you finish a sentence, but after that, another things come to your mind. So you can use though here. So yeah, it's just like this. If your sentence is direct and you want to bold the contrast, use but. But if you have another thing to say after that sentence, you can use though. Yes, that's it. Finished. Well, in this short lesson, we talked about but and though in only 2 minutes. I hope you find this video useful. And but is a coordinating conjunction and though is a subordinating conjunction and sometimes a conjunctive adverb. If you want to know more about these conjunctions or conjunctive adverbs, tell me in the comments. I can make another video about them. And yeah, that's it. You know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order not to miss the next thing that I'm going to upload. And give me a thumbs up. Tell me what other topics you want me to make videos about. And yeah, goodbye everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.